Effectively, many companies are finding that building and operating their own data center isn't a core competency. And at the same time, you have companies like Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure and Google that have developed some really effective cloud services. So this trend is shifting where and how people do their computing. It's really started with startups and technology companies, but now what we're seeing is that the enterprise IT sector is really starting to shift its business model to deploying things in the cloud. So that has implications for the job market in terms of the types of positions that folks are going to be hiring for. Skills with deploying cloud workloads are increasingly valuable, and particularly in terms of being able to migrate from a traditional data center into a cloud environment. A lot of expertise in Amazon Web Services is very valuable at the moment because they are the market leader in cloud computing. They're constantly introducing new tools and ways to deploy IT workloads for their enterprise customers. So it's both a field that's growing and with high value positions. At the same time, many of the enterprises are wary of lock-in with a particular cloud provider. So there's a lot of interest in multi-cloud environments. So there's a lot of opportunities sort of across the board for expertise in AWS, Microsoft for folks in the oriented towards the Windows environment, and many enterprises remain that way. And Google is sort of in third place, but moving up quickly. They're investing very heavily in their cloud platform and starting to gain some traction. There's also new technology called Docker, which is container technology, which is sort of the next level of abstraction beyond virtual machines that lets you more easily move applications between a data center and a cloud platform, or from one cloud platform to another. And right now, that's sort of in the early stages of adoption, but we think that's one that's going to have legs going forward, and people who are looking for an opportunity to get in early, I think skills with containers and Docker are pretty important.